I'm writing a rule for this input-output table, which is also known as a function. My input is represented by the letter F, and my output is represented by the letter U. There's always a relationship between these two numbers in a function. All right, so I need to look at my numbers and I need to look for patterns. When I look at the middle of my chart, how do I get from 9 to 3? Well, if I divide that 9 by 3, I get an answer of 3. What about if I divide 12 by 3? What do I get? Hey, I get 4. 15 divided by 3, I get 5. 3 divided by 3, I get 1. All right, so I've just discovered my rule, and I can write it two different ways. One way that I can write it is F U equals F divided by 3, or I could have U equals 1/3 of F. We're going to pause, and I'm going to give you a second example. All right, here's my second example, and I have the letters W and K, and remember there's always a relationship between our input and our output. And looking at this, my numbers are getting bigger, so I think I'm multiplying, because when I go 4 times 3, I get 12. When I go 40 times 3, I get 120. So I think I've found it. 22 times 3 is 66. Yeah, indeed I've found it. 13 times 3 is 39. So my output K equals 3 times the W, and that will give me the K. All right, watch this video again on input, outputs, and writing rules for function. And it's pretty easy to do. Just look for patterns.